I was given a sample of the Aloe Head to Toe Glow Oil, and this stuff's really impressive. So first of all, you can use it literally head to toe, in your hair, on your skin, all over your body. So let me show you a little bit how it works. So it's just this oil. It smells really good. It has like a really nice citrusy smell. You're gonna feel that instant hit of hydration when you put it on. So I'm gonna put some on my hands right now, and then I'm gonna take whatever I have remaining and put it through my hair to get my hair nice and glowy. And I'm just gonna focus a little more on the ends right there. Okay, so now my hair, super duper shiny. I smell amazing. My skin is feeling really, really hydrated. And again, you can use it all over your body, and that was just one pump that did the hair, the face, and the backs of my hands. So if you're looking for a really good all over glow oil, this one's amazing. I love the ingredients. It has turmeric in it and it smells delightful. You're gonna love it.